Welcome to our exciting tutorial on bringing your dream bungalow to life. In this engaging video, we will guide you through the entire process of creating your perfect bungalow, whether you're planning a new construction or a renovation. Imagine a stunning bungalow designed just for you, where every detail reflects your personal style and preferences. The Bungalow Design Execution Package is the last step before starting to build a bungalow. It's when we make sure that all the details in the design are complete and ready for construction. Here is the scope of work of the Bungalow Execution Package. With our Easy Scope of Work Index, you can easily explore different sections and details of the presentation. Let's dive into scope of work for this package. Number 1. Professional Introduction. In the professional introduction, you'll meet our talented designers and learn about their expertise. Number 2. Requirement. Your requirements are essential to our designer. In this section, our designer will outline your specific needs, preferences, and expectations. Number 3. Site analysis. First, our designers carefully study the physical features of the site. They examine the land's shape, slope, and natural elements. Additionally, they take into account the climate of the location, including factors like temperature, sunlight, wind direction. Number 4. Area program. Our designer will have a detailed conversation with you to understand the purpose of each room and space in your building or project. Number 5. Form and volume. Form refers to the shape and overall composition of a building, while volume relates to the three-dimensional mass and occupied space. Our architects consider these elements to craft visually appealing designs that also maximize the functional use of space. Number 6. Massing. Our architects carefully study how different shapes and sizes of buildings work together and fit into the environment. They make. Number 7. Orientation. In architecture, orientation refers to how a building is positioned in relation to its surroundings and the directions of north, south, east, and west. Number 8. Public and private spaces. In a residence, public spaces are accessible areas like lobbies and shared facilities that promote social interaction. Private spaces, such as bedrooms and bathrooms, prioritize privacy and personal retreat. Number 9. Zoning. Zoning in residence architecture simply means dividing a residential building into different areas, each with a specific function. Number 10. Rough layout of building. During the presentation, our designer will share a rough sketch of the bungalow's layout. This simple drawing helps us start the conversation and work together. It's like a blueprint that shows the basic structure of your home. Number 11. Conceptual sketches 3D reference. Conceptual sketches and 3D references are like pictures that we use at the beginning of a design project. They help us come up with ideas and show you how things will be placed in the space. Number 12. Site development plan. A site development plan is like a detailed map that architects use to show how a building or project will be arranged on the land. Number 13. Floor plans. Floor plans in architecture are visual representations of a building's layout, showing the arrangement of rooms, walls, doors, and windows from a top-down perspective. Number 14. Material palette exterior. Choosing the right materials, colors, textures, and finishes for the outside of the building. It's like selecting the ingredients to create a complete and beautiful look. The materials we choose have a big impact on the style and overall appearance of the structure. Number 15. Elevation. The purpose of an elevation is to help you understand how the outside of the building will appear and how all the elements will fit together. Number 16. Section with levels. In architecture, a section with levels is like a special drawing that shows a slice through a building. Number 17. 3D renders. In architecture, 3D renders are computer-generated images or animations that show a lifelike representation of a building or design. 18. Working drawing sets. Working drawings in architecture are like blueprints or instruction manuals for building a house. Here are some examples of working drawings. Working drawing, floor plans, elevations, sections, kitchen, staircase, electrical, plumbing, door window. Number 19. Execution supervision. The architect will collaborate with your builder or contractor. They will assist the contractor in implementing the construction plan on site and conduct regular visits to ensure that the work is being carried out according to the drawings. The architect will provide necessary guidance and support to the contractor throughout the construction process to ensure the successful completion of your house. Block estimate. To help you with budgeting, our designer will provide an estimate of the project's cost based on the agreed upon design and material selections. Thank you for watching our work sample video on Bungalow Execution Package. I hope you have understood its scope of work and its deliverables. Thank you. Sabka Mangal Ho.